Toshiba's eBridge Plus for Zone OCR app is an intelligent scan solution to improve document handling processes. In order to use the app, you will need the OCR enabler installed on your Toshiba device. The OCR app comes with 3 functions: Highlighter Scan Text, Highlighter Scan Barcode, and Zone OCR for custom documents. Here we will show you how to use the Highlighter Scan Barcode. On the screen, you will see a How to Use button, which explains the functionality of the app in 3 stages, along with the steps you need to follow in order for the process to work. You can select your required options such as OCR or barcode language, where there are numerous languages supported by the app, and Target Page, which allows you to select either all pages or just the top page to be OCR'd. Define the OCR recognized result by selecting the option for how the scan document is saved. For example, you can choose for the highlighted box section on the document to generate either the file name or the folder name. You can also select the file format. You also have the option to save an XML or CSV file in addition to the PDF once it is scanned. You can change the default scanning preferences. Once all the preferences are set, you can start scanning your documents. Here you can see the document stored with the preferences that were set earlier in the network folder as specified by the administrator. This also illustrates how the Zone OCR app creates folders automatically. You will notice that the file name has been created using the barcode that was highlighted on the document, and the scanned copy of the document is stored in the folder that the app automatically created and named. Alternatively, if you were to have selected the OCR Recognized Result box option as the folder name rather than the file name as selected in this demonstration, the app would have created a folder name as the barcode, and the document would have been given a default file name within the folder.